granted.
Hello Brahmaj warriors, welcome back to another video. Today our topic of interest is UAVs used by Indian military. When it comes to military services, high-tech weapons and security systems have reduced human labor and life loss. The introduction of unmanned aerial vehicles resulted in a similar consequence in the Air Force. So, in this video, we'll take a look at the current operational UAVs that are currently being used by the Indian military. Before all that, you're gonna hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Okay, let's do this. Number 5. DRDO Lakshya. Lakshya is an Indian remotely piloted high-speed target drone system developed by Aeronautical Development Establishment, that is ADE, of DRDO. Lakshya is used to perform discrete aerial reconnaissance of battlefield and target acquisition. The drone is ground or ship-launched from a zero-length launcher, and recovery is by a two-stage parachute system developed by DRDO for land or sea-based recovery. The drone has a crushable nose cone which absorbs the impact of landing and minimizes the damage. The DRDO Lakshya is powered by a HAL PTAE-7 turbojet engine that can produce a thrust of 3.73 kN. The drone has a maximum speed of Mach 0.7 and a range of 150 km. Number 4. IAI Searcher. The IAI Searcher is a reconnaissance UAV developed in Israel in 1980s. In addition to Israel, the system has been exported and is currently in use by Russia, India, South Korea, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Thailand and Turkey. More than 100 IAI Searcher are being operated by the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. IAI Searcher is powered by a Limback L550 propeller engine that can produce 47 horsepower. The drone has a maximum speed of 201 km per hour and a range of 350 km. Number 3. IAI Heron. The IAI Heron is a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle developed by the UAE division of Israel Aerospace Industries. So, why did India purchase this drone? The reason is very simple. The Heron drone has demonstrated 52 hours of continuous flight. Now that's really impressive. The Heron navigates using an internal GPS navigation device and either a pre-programmed flight profile in which the system is fully autonomous from takeoff to landing, manual override from a ground control station, or a combination of both. It can automatically return to base and land in case of lost communication with the ground station. The system also has a fully automatic launch and recovery, that is ALR, and all-weather capabilities. Number 2. IAI Heron TP, aka Aiden. The IAI Aiden is an unmanned reconnaissance aircraft developed by Israel in the early 21st century by the Malad division of Israel Aerospace Industries. The UAV is an upgraded version of IAI Heron. So, what makes this drone so special? The Eden can operate at altitude above commercial air traffic and feature all-weather capability.
How'd you solve the icing problem?
Oh, it also has a de-icing systems, automatic takeoff and landing, and triple redundant avionics. The UAV is made of composite materials, and a single turboprop engine is mounted in the rear fuselage, driving a pusher propeller. And on the number 1 spot is MQ-9 Reaper. General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, aka Predator B, is an unmanned aerial vehicle capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, primarily for the United States Air Force. The MQ-9 is the first hunter-killer UAV designed for long endurance and high-altitude surveillance. The Reaper has a 950 shaft horsepower turboprop engines. The drones are currently deployed at the naval station in Rajali, located in Tamil Nadu. The Reaper has a maximum speed of 482 km per hour and a cruise speed of 313 km per hour. When it comes to weapons, the Reaper can carry AGM-114 Hellfire air-to-ground missiles, Guided Bomb Unit 12 laser-guided bombs, Guided Bomb Unit 38 joint direct attack munition. The MQ-9 Reaper can also carry multiple AIM-9X Block 2 missiles. So, these are the current operational UAVs owned by Indian military. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. And it's time for me to take off. Bye everyone.